Welcome, woodpeckers! Today we traveled back in time to my friend the beard monkey, and he will show us how to make this trophy out of this using the cheapest tools around. Take it away! Boom! What's up, guys? Today I'm honoring another friend of mine, a former Ironman triathlete. Our story began as recruits in the Navy, and he is the kind of guy that pops up once a year, and I enjoy his company a lot. Before I became a father and he a half-decent leader of a company, he was into triathlon. And as a finisher of Norseman, he only got a lousy t-shirt, and that is why I will make him a token for this trial, which took him about 13 hours. Now, let's get to it. So this point is much higher than this point, and it starts about here. So make a draw line, and I will be working mostly on this part. So for every build I do, I like to believe I have learned something, and the last gift I made, I used construction grade wood. This time I've used some old birch, and hopefully it will turn out a bit smoother than the sea cow. Since I now have finished leveling and sanding this one, we are now ready for the draw. As you can see here, I have played around with my makeshift compass to see how fat I want to circle, with a thought for durability. In order to make this build more durable, I will have to make this N for Norseman to connect with the circles inside. Now that I have finished the cut, I'm going to use my favorite sanding tool, the angle grinder with a flap disc. And then after this I'll move over to Dremel to reach small stuff, and then finally I'll do some hand sanding. Alright, back to the new me. Thanks for making this bearded monkey. We used some shellac instead of oil, and it gave it a shine I didn't like, so I had to sand this baby all over again just to take the shellac away. But if you think it looks better than a lousy t-shirt, just like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.